art hacks are cool, right? So here's one that'll cost you $1. Welcome to Illo Talk. I am Cory Kerr, and this is whatever episode this is. But I have a problem. I have a lot of art supplies, and I have ways to hold them, and I'm always trying to find the perfect way to hold them. I have like this thing that's got all these little straps and stuff that I thought would be the answer. I have like IKEA things hanging from stuff, and you can pick these up and move them around. I even have like tiny little tea set with ink cartridges and pencils, and I have yet to find the perfect thing, because what I want is I want something at my desk that I can just grab at will. This thing is not quite ideal, and so what I've done is I spent $1 to get a funoodle. Funoodle. This is $1's worth of funoodle. $1. And the reason I've done this is because I think that I could cut this, put it on the edge of my desk, and then stab it with things. That's my plan. So let's see if this works. First, measure. I've got about this much. So I'm going to go like that. Really technical measurement right there. Then get out a knife with a serrated edge. And then cut. Hopefully not yourself. But one thing I love about this stuff is it cuts really easily. Now here's the trick. Where's the camera? Hello? Okay, so here's the trick. I'm going to slice down one side, like so. Slice, slice, doo-doo-doo. And not cut my hand. And now I have like this. And this just like clips onto the side of my desk. Like so. And with it clipped onto the side of my desk, I can do stuff like this. So all I have to do now is put a little slit, and then I can stab it with things. And so, a little slit like this. Grab. Art hack. I don't know. Kind of weird that they call everything a hack, but I'm going to put more slits in this thing and put all my stuff on it. So there you go. This has been Illo Talk. I am Cory Kerr. You can check out my stuff at corykerr.com. If you like this video, hit that little thumbs up button. If you want to see more of these videos, then you should subscribe. And there's lots of other good things on my channel, so go check those out too. But I'm going to draw some stuff, so we will see you later.